On Monday, October 19th at 7 p.m., we're going to talk about a new way to backend your app. There are a lot of ways to backend mobile applications. Put anything in the cloud you want and develop anything you want from scratch. It's a great way to custom design something that absolutely fits your requirements, but it requires a lot of design, coding, testing, supporting, and upgrading. Now the question is, do you have enough time and money to do all that? Well, there's a way to do it with less front-end work and less back-end work. And that's through an open source content management system called Drupal. Drupal provides security, user management, content management, dependency management, and all the other things you expect on the back end without having to code. And Drupal is well supported. It's the second largest open source CMS framework with over 1 million developers, and it's on its 8th major release. Now, what's special about this release is it comes with a complete RESTful interface, and they call it headless Drupal, which now makes a great backend for mobile apps. So what we're going to present is an open source app for Drupal 8, developed in iOS 9 using Xcode 7, with all the basic functionality. Set your URL for your website, create a user account, log in and log out, up and download those images and files, and also do database queries with no coding on the server. This presentation will feature Kevin Harwood's AF networking library, which many of you have used, and Kyle Browning's iOS SDK. Kyle was at Acquia, who was founded by the creator of Drupal. And Vivek Pandya is going to be presenting the work he did on implementing this into a easy to port, easy to break apart, easy to understand iOS application. And I will be presenting a real world example of how this is implemented. Lots of code. Be there, October 19th at 7 p.m. GoDaddy is located right there at the intersection of 101 and 237 in the Microsoft building, 3rd floor. There'll be food and drink by FFW, our sponsor, and we look forward to seeing all of you on the 19th.